Hello!
Hi!
Welcome back to Cooking with Events by Collette and Chef Reese. Yes, today our honored guests are Senior Rottweiler and El Auto Antiguo.
Auto Antiguo Hinojo.
Oh, yes, we are going to be cooking hinojo, palta y papa dulce ensalada. In English, we're going to be cooking fennel,
Fennel.
avocado,
We can do it, Fennel Mama.
and sweet potato salad. I have already cut up some of the fennel here because we are going to be adding 3 bulbs today. If you don't know anything about fennel, yes, this thing does look kind of funny. Some places it's actually considered to be a weed, just like kale, believe it or not. Yes,
Kale.
we thought kale was a weed also,
Mama.
but fennel is actually...
We have the guests here.
Sí, los huéspedes. Fennel is actually very high in fiber and potassium and vitamin C and a lot of other vitamins.
El Auto Antiguo Mama.
Sí. And it's similar to celery. And Reese is feeling a lot better. We had an incident this morning. He fell on one of these succulents that have some spines, so I excuse all the scratches on him. But yes, going back to the fennel. One last characteristic of fennel, which is kind of interesting. It actually has the taste of anise and licorice. All right, let's get started. And as usual, I will be posting this recipe online on our Instagram and YouTube and our website. Bueno, ok, Viva. Vamos a cortar lo demás de hinojo. ¿Sí?
Hinojo.
Okay, so you want to take off this part, the stem.
Hinojo.
And as always, keep your thumb in.
Hinojo.
Okay, aquí. And we're not going to be using this part today. We're just going to be composting the rest of this. But yes, this does look very similar to dill, which is interesting. So you could use some of this part if you want, but we're not going to be using that part today. Okay, we're going to be cutting lengthwise, horizontally, and then vertically.
Hinojo.
See, enough.
Hinojo.
So yes, if you don't have a compost, if you don't have a way to compost, I highly recommend doing that. Especially right now, during the pandemic, trying to buy soil, it's very hard to buy anything right now. You can make your own soil with compost. Okay, Reese. Sí, creo que sí, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Hacer esos sonidos. ¿Tú estás Reese Rex? Reese Rex? Okay. Next. Okay, Reese, ¿quieres añadir la menta?
Sí.
Oh, if I hadn't mentioned this before, it is becoming sunflower season here in Austin, Texas. We are going to be planting girasoles in our garden, but for right now, while we're waiting for them to grow, we purchased them the other day. Okay, Reese, perejil. So we're going to be adding Italian parsley. You can just add regular parsley if you like. We're going to be adding Italian parsley today. I just prefer it. Again. Tolo. Okay. Okay. And if you are new to our videos, if you haven't had your child start cooking with you yet, highly recommend it. It helps with all of their math skills, reading skills, helps them appreciate more food, increases their palate, and helps with motor skills. Okay, we see menta.
And don't add sugar here, Mama.
Sí, no azúcar. No azúcar.
No.
No azúcar.
Y es this, Mama.
Sí. Sí. Okay. We just added some mint. Okay. Reese really wants to use the serving spoons. Okay, we're gonna go mix a little bit. We don't need to do that yet, but Reese really wants to do that. Okay, Reese, señor Rottweiler, y a tu antiguo necesita sentar aquí, okay? Necesitan sentar por allá. Okay. Reese, mostramos cómo combinar muy suavemente. Bien, suavemente. Okay. And before we add our sweet potato and our avocado, we're gonna make the dressing. Okay, Reese, y mamá con el limón.
The lemon, Mama.
Sí, and limón. So we have salt, pepper, lime, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. Okay, Reese, tú sabes. Tú sabes. We have a lime squeezer here. If you have not invested in a lemon or lime squeezer, please do. It makes life so much easier. Okay, muy bien. Okay, muy fuerte. Woo! Muy bien. Tú hiciste. Reese doesn't like how some of the juice gets into his eyes sometimes. I don't blame him. Okay, Reese, da vuelta. Da vuelta. Muy bien. Okay. Some muscle into it. Okay, el otro. We are going to be composting the lime peels also today. Okay. Gracias. So we are adding the juice of 1 whole lime. Okay, so vuelta. Muy bien. Okay. Okay, Viva. Terminamos con el limón. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, Reese, ven. ¿Sí, mamá?
Okay.
La cuchara grande, ¿sí?
Sí, la cuchara grande.
You can always add more olive oil if you like. Dressings, it's really to your taste. But we're just going to be adding 1 tablespoon here today. We have white wine vinegar. You can add champagne vinegar too if you'd like. Okay. Woo! You can add more vinegar if you like also. We're going to be adding salt and pepper. We're just going to be adding a little sprinkle of each one, but if you'd like, please add more. Some people like their food more peppery and salty. Woo! Okay. So recuerda this. Gire, gire. Sí, muy bien. Muy bien, Reese. 2 más gires. Okay, tú estás corriendo. Okay. 2 más gires. 1, 2. Muy bien. Okay. Pimienta. 5 gires.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Last but not, okay, we're going to let this sit aside. Before you add it, I would say please add this when you're about to eat. It needs to sit on top of the vegetables for about a half an hour to marinate with everything. But We're not going to be adding it right now because we won't be eating this until later on tonight. But again, we're just going to let this sit for right now. Okay. Urisi, Papa Dulce?
Mama.
See. Okay, so the Papa Dulce, the sweet potato. I went ahead and did this prior so we didn't have an extra long video. Un momento. Oh, gracias. Okay, tú puedes comer. These are basically sweet potato fries, baked sweet potato fries. Olive oil, salt, and pepper in the oven for approximately 50 minutes on 375. Go ahead and add these in. It's about 2 large sweet potato worth. Okay, Gracie, un momento. Okay, necesitamos usar. We're going to go ahead and add these in, and Reese is going to go ahead and eat some too. Reese, tú tienes hambre. Okay, tú puedes. Tú puedes. So we'll just add a few here right now just so you see, but we will go ahead and add more later when we're ready to eat. Another thing that we will add later when we're ready to eat also is the avocado. Just go ahead and slice it up. In our house, we use, yes, a knife schmear, a bagel schmear knife, because you tend to cut yourself less, and it actually has somewhat of a scoop mechanism on it. I don't like having avocado hand like some people do. And just demonstrate here the finished product. Okay, Risi, necesitamos mostrar ellos. Okay. Okay, so basically this is it. Our fennel avocado sweet potato salad with a white wine vinegar dressing. I actually made this for a friend who had just moved here from San Francisco, California. It was about 100 degrees outside, and she is a picky eater, I guess, to say the least. Love her to death, but she thoroughly enjoyed this. She does not eat avocado, but we just put the avocado on the side for her. But other than that, she loved it. And I also served this to my husband, the leftovers after our luncheon, and did not get any complaints. And he usually complains about, where's the protein? But I didn't get any complaints from him on this one. So it must be good for all sorts of people. If you haven't started eating fennel, it's very easy to cook with, as you see. And thank you again for joining us. If you have any questions, please message me, leave any comments, and have a great day. Thanks.